We have another special function in our classes called a destructor. Destructors are automatically called when our objects are being destroyed. And this is an opportunity for us to free system resources that an object is using. So if we allocate memory or open a file or network connection, then we need to release these resources in destructors. Now, our rectangle class doesn't really need a destructor because here we are not using any system resources like memory, file, and so on. But let me show you how to define a destructor. So in our header file, we type a tilde followed by the name of the class. This is how we declare a destructor. So similar to constructors, our destructor doesn't have a return type. The name is exactly the same as the class name. And here we have no parameters. And also, we cannot overload destructors. So each class can have a maximum of one destructor. Now let's generate the definition for this destructor. Okay. Now over here, I just want to print a message and say destructor called. Pretty simple. Now back to our main file. So we have a rectangle object. This object is declared on the stack. So when the main function finishes execution, this object is going to go out of scope, so it will be destroyed. At that point, the destructor is called. Let's verify that. So let's run the program. All right, first we're constructing a rectangle. Then at the end, destructor is called.